Down in Alabama, where they say roll tide, Miss Karen's in the kitchen, come along for the ride. Stephanie's helping out, apron's tied on tight, chopping up that Kaneka, making everything right.
Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I have some lunch / dinner going because it's like mid-afternoon and it is a rainy day here in central Alabama. We've had some storms come through. So I hope everybody is safe and dry. But anyway, I'm getting ready to start lunch and I wanted to bring you along with me. On the back of the stove here, I've got some black-eyed peas that I've cooked. I've cooked some Brussels sprouts and some corn on the cob. We're just having veggies today. And I want to show you what I think is going to be the star of the show, and that's some onion bites. I've been looking at recipes online and I found this one. I tweaked it a little bit, but I know it's still going to be good. But I cut the recipe down because I don't think me and Pop needs that much, and we're going to have leftovers with this anyway. But I'll give you the full recipe in the description box underneath this video. I've had several people ask, where's the recipe? They can't find it. On the title of the video, you'll see more. Click more and it opens up that description box and you can just scroll on down and you'll find it there. So I have 1 cup of onions that I've diced up. They're not a fine dice. They're kind of a medium small dice. And I just used 1 medium onion, that's all it took. So to this though, I'm adding like half of a tablespoon of cornmeal, a 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. I'm putting just a little smidge of cayenne pepper and about a 1/4 teaspoon, just a little more than a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm gonna mix all this in here, and I want all that goodness out of that bowl. So I'm just gonna kind of stir this up a little bit. And yeah, I know this is gonna be so good. But I have a 1/4 cup of milk, and I'm gonna pour that in there and stir it up. And if I think it needs a little bit more flour, I'm gonna put it in there because I don't, and I think I do. It's a little bit more runny than I want it to be. I want it to be hold together. So let me grab some flour. Now, I'm using self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but you'll want to add a little baking powder to it. And we're going to add some salt. I don't need that much flour. I'm going to add just not quite a 1/4 cup. And I know self-rising flour has salt, but I'm going to put a little bit of salt and black pepper in here because I used garlic powder. I did not use garlic salt. That's looking a little better. Maybe when I cut the recipe down, I didn't need to cut down the flour because I just want this to hold together, and that flour is my binder. So let's move this out of the way. Okay, I'm going to move this measuring cup. I'm done with it now, and let's get to cooking these. Now I'm using my electric skillet. Several of you have asked about this skillet, and it is in my Amazon store. And if you go to my Amazon store, and Karen Jones Food and Family, Amazon, the link is listed in the description box. And scroll down, you'll see a picture when you open it up, and It may be a shirt, because some blouses, I've had some people ask about the blouses that I was wearing, and I got them from Amazon, so I put those in there. Click on that picture and it'll open up my store, and you can just scroll through and you'll see the skillet and a lot of other items that I use. So I want to get this. Y'all know it does not take long for this to get hot. So while that's heating up, I'm going to get a plate to put it on. And you know what I think I want to do? Y'all should know this. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in here, and I want to put about a tablespoon of butter. But I like to put my butter in before that oil gets hot, because if I don't, it'll start popping everywhere. I think this is going to be good, and I think this is going to make quite the perfect amount for me and Pop. And I'm trying to debate. I think I'm going to use this larger scoop and to scoop them out. I think it's hot enough now. We're going to start scooping it out, and I don't want to get it too hot, y'all. So I'm going to try to cook these around 325. So let's start scooping. And I'm not going to do huge overflowing scoops. I'm not doing that. I just kind of, just a good level scoop. I know this is going to be good. Y'all, I just want to tell you, I'm so happy. Pop retired. And so he's going to be doing more things with me on here and behind the scenes. And he's going to be doing some other stuff that he wants to do on his own. And yeah, I've been trying to get him for a couple of years now. He's a wonderful writer. And I want him to write what he's talked about, writing a children's book. And so I'm trying to get him to do that. Y'all help me push him along to do it. Now, let's get these cooked. Can you see? I don't know if you can see good. I think you can. And if you can smell it. If you like onions, you're gonna like this. Another thing you can do with this before you start cooking them, cut your onions up and put them in a bowl and cover them with cold water and let them sit in the refrigerator. Seal them up real good so the onion smell don't get in your fridge. And let them sit for, I don't know, half an hour. And it takes some of that onion, the stronger onion taste out of it. I like it, Pop and I like it. So it's not a problem for us, but if you don't like it or you just want a milder taste, that's something you can do. And this recipe, I'm gonna get some paper towels to drain them on. You saw how simple this recipe was. Oh, and y'all, these are such a pretty golden color. When you turn something in a frying pan, try to turn it away from you, because if you flip it towards you, you're going to flip maybe that grease out onto yourself, and you don't want to do that. So that's just another precaution. And I know you guys know this. If you have little ones running around, put it to the back as far as you can, especially on the stove. But if you're going to be right there, and you can watch it, and you can watch the little hands. You know, this is Sunday. I'm not sure what day you'll see this video. Friday, we went to Parker's last band banquet, because he graduates this year. And it was emotional. And they run videos through the program and, you know, slides of the kids. And you see them from when they first started, their little baby faces, you know, 6th graders and all up to the seniors. And it was amazing just to see how much they changed and grow. You know it, but just to see it in photos. But he got several awards. So he got one really big award. So we're very proud of him. And so I congratulate him. And I know he'll appreciate it. I've shared his band picture with you before. And if I don't forget, I'll try to put it up here for you to see again. So we're really proud of him. He's going to the fire college. He's already taken EMT classes online. So he's doing, what did they call it? Double something or another. So he's getting college credits while he's in high school. And so he's almost finished with the online part of the EMT. And then he starts his rotation after he graduates. So, and for that, and then he gets into the fire college. So he's excited about it. And we're very proud of him. When Dalton is in Huntsville, he's working in his field. And he's doing missile defense. And we're very proud of him and Anna both. And she graduates May. And she's in biochemical engineering, and she's going on to get, I think, her PhD. So she's still got a while left of school. But they're very happy, and they're getting married in June. So I can't believe my firstborn grandson is getting married. He'll be 23. I lose track of time and how old they are. Do y'all do that? And but they're the two most settled kids that I have ever seen, and they always have been. I just want to get these kind of tilted up on their sides a little bit, because I think these are going to be about ready to pull out. And we're going to pull this supper together. So I'm going to quit talking for a little bit. I'm going to finish this up, and then I'm going to come back. We're going to pull this meal together, and I'll show you what we have. I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah, I got these done, and I want you to look at them. How beautiful that came out. I don't know if you can see it, but I took you some pictures of it real good, so you can actually see it real good. But let's give them a try. You can make your own sauce if you want to. It's like a ranch, but I'm just going to use store-bought ranch dressing. I love this stuff. I'm going to start with that, and might as well go ahead and fix my plate. And I'm going to taste this for you, and then I'm going to call Pop in. He's outside sitting on the porch. It's raining, and he's just sitting there watching it rain. He's relaxing. He hasn't done that in a while, so I'm happy for him. So I've got black-eyed peas. I've got corn on the cob. I love corn on the cob, y'all. Brussels sprouts. Now, these were frozen Brussels sprouts, and all I did was put them in my pan. I put a little water over them, not a whole lot, and some butter, and let them cook until they got tender, and it does not take long for them to cook. And I have a coleslaw here that I made. This is one of those chopped salad kits that I know y'all see in the grocery store with the pre-shredded cabbage for slaw. But I just love this one. And it's got a package of little sesame seeds and some other stuff that comes with it. And I like the sesame seeds. And I just sprinkle them right over. Now, I make coleslaw. Y'all know that. And I bought some sesame seeds so I can put it on there. But I want you to look at what a beautiful plate this is. See there? Now, I'm going to try it. And I'm going to put a little bit of ranch dressing on onion bite. I'm going to put it on one side because I'm going to taste it without the ranch first. Let's see. Pop is going to love this meal. I know he will. Let's try it first without the ranch. Oh my goodness, it's like a fried cornbread with the onions, and I've done that before. Yeah. This does not have a strong onion flavor. It's got your onion flavor, but it's not real strong. I'm going to try it with the ranch dressing now. Yeah. This is going to be on my table more. I think my kids would like these. They all like onions. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make those onion bites. You see the Brussels sprouts here, like I told you. My black-eyed peas. Now these were just a frozen bag of black-eyed peas. I cook them from dried. And when you cook them from dried, it don't take long. I season them the same way. I use some beef bouillon in this, or if I have beef broth or stock, I use that. And very little salt because that bouillon and broth has salt in it. And I put a little bit of butter. Y'all know it's the butter. I made the coleslaw. The corn was frozen. You know, it's not the time of year to get really good fresh vegetables from the garden, but it won't be long. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, y'all, we have 2 cookbooks. We're pulling together stuff for the 3rd one. You have volume 1 and volume 2, and you can order them on my website if you'll go to KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. It's linked in the description box under this video, and you'll see the cookbooks there. Scroll to them, and there's a link to click on. Now, I don't store them here. I don't stock them. They come directly from my printer. So that link will take you to the printer. They take your order, and they'll ship them for you. And if it's early in the day, they ship them the same day. If it's not, they ship them out the next day. They're really quick turnaround. But I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you enjoyed this and you'll think about making this. But y'all please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends and your family about it. And you're going to be seeing Pop a little bit more from now on. But I appreciate, and don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. We'll see you soon, everybody.
'Cause it's food and family love in every bite. It's gonna be good under the kitchen lights, with so much heart put in every meal. Karen and Pop show us love that we all feel.